Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. I've already made two videos about it. One was very quick, the other one was not very detailed. So I thought maybe today I'll show you how to do a nice detailed eyebrows. Let's start. So all you'll need is a tweezer. I'm using this one from Colorbar. So there are some tweezers which they're very sharp here, so they cut off the hair instead of pulling it out. So this one is not like that, it's good. And then you need a brush, any eyebrow brush, pair of scissors, some powder and a little eyebrow pencil to give that shape. And also I am using this face epilator and I use it for my eyebrows also. It's from Braun. So you'll have to put the battery in this. The direction of which you want the hair to be removed, you can select here, either left or right. So this is nice if you have it, otherwise you can do with a tweezer. Close enough. Look at my eyebrows, they are like, I let them grow quite a bit, more than 2 weeks. They're all long and messy. First you want to do is trim the extra hair growth. So I'm taking this, comb it up, take a scissors, shit like this. Don't go too close till the end here, just a little bit. Yeah, these extras, that's it. Because if you don't do this and just do this, the hair comes down, right? So you want to nicely trim it. So that's why you still keep it like this, like how you basically cut your hair on your head. Okay, now comb it down and cut just a little bit. Don't go till here just because your eyebrows are from here, because you'll have to give that little. Doing the same thing this side. Now what you want to do is only remove the extras that you can see visible, not close to the line. I'm going to do this using this, but first, since I'm sweating, I'm going to put some powder. Just push it down a bit so that the hair are all standing up, easy to pull out. So since the hair is growing that side, I will want to put the button this side, so that it pulls the hair this side, not this side. Understood? Now if you want to have that, the latest trend of having your eyebrows like this, that winged look, you can take off all the extras that are here. So now that we've taken all the extras down, let's do it on the top. Now I change the direction to up so that the hair is pulled up. Don't go close to your eyebrows, otherwise this one is just fast. You can just pull out your eyebrows. So if you have loose skin like me, you should always make it tight, because otherwise you're going to get cut. Same the side. And now comes the most detailed perfection. This is where my nostrils start and this is where my eyebrow should start. Make a mark like this. So you can basically take out these two and this is fine. Yeah. The high point here, you'll have to put end here and it should cut your eyeball into half, and that is where your point will end. So here, this one here. Now this end, you'll have to do the same thing, but the end of your eyes, your nose, this is where you'll have your end of the eyebrows. Now that you have all your points set, you can figure out where and which hair you have to get removed. If you have the patience, or if you have a pointish pencil, you can put a straight card or something like this and mark it. and then it's easy. So what I'm going to do now, take the tweezer and plug out all the extras from down first. You can brush it and see if you want it to be removed, or so like you can see here, I can take this off. Now I'm doing the same thing for this eye. Now the one thing that I do for my hooded eye is I ensure that I have the most space here. So I try to remove most of my hairs here, and then I try to let it grow on the top. So I'm trying to just take off very little on the top. Next you want to do is shape your eyebrows the way you want it to using a pencil. I'm using this one from MAC in the shade Stud. Just outline, okay? And I want it only till this white mark. Now on the top, I want it this thick. I don't want to start from here, okay? Because here you're supposed to color it like this. So I'm going to start here, and this is how thick I want it. This is the pointy edge. So I'm taking it down from there, and that's it. So anything above the line, I'm going to take it off. I think that's it. I am happy with this. Don't forget to apply some cream or moisturizer to avoid ingrowth of hair or rashes. I'm taking some moisturizer and just giving a nice massage. I hope you like this video. I hope it helped you. I'll see you in my next. Bye-bye.